Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'm gonna guide you through the tutorial video of how to change default search engine on Edge. So to get started, first of all, go ahead and open up Microsoft Edge on your PC. And once you are inside the Microsoft Edge page, you'll be appear with this type of screen interface. So in order to change default search engine, what you gotta do is click on that three dots which is appear on top right corner. Click on it and then go ahead and click on settings. Now click on privacy, search and services. Now scroll all the way down and click on address bar and search. Upon clicking that, you'll be appear with this screen interface. Now what you're gonna do is you can see search engine used in the address bar right there. Simply tap on it. It is set on Bing right now, so I'm changing it to Google. Once you do that, you will be successfully able to change default search engine on Edge. I hope you found the video to be helpful and informative. If yes, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.